Hi TYs, this is just a video to show you how to upload your coaching assignment onto the Future Leaders website in order for you to generate your own certificate. So how do you do that? Well, first thing you do is go to Google and type in Future Leaders, okay? When you go to Future Leaders website, you have to log in, okay? So log in, top left hand corner. And it's generally your school email and password that you've already generated. Once that loads, you click on the Future Leaders school zone. Okay. And you go into My Courses and go into Bush Future Leaders. Okay. That brings us to our own school page. First thing you need to do is to create your own coaching page. So you click on the top page called ePortfolio, because that's where you're going to lodge the page to upload your task. So click on ePortfolio, and what you need to do is create a new page. So you create, and you call add. You want to add a page, and you're going to call the page coaching. And then put your initials beside it. So coaching project and PM for Paul Malone. Okay, and click save. Display page. And then what I want you to do is at the end of this, click browse, and wherever you have your file, your training session saved, you need to upload it here. So what I have done for very simple sake is I've saved it to my desktop and I have just uploaded it. So there it is there, uploaded, and to refresh the page so the task is uploaded, I just click on comment. Okay, so that is my page created with my assignment done there. Okay. What you need to do then is you need to go into the assignment, okay? So go back into GAA courses, go into My Courses, and go into the schools page. Scroll down to coaching and click coaching module. Go into click on the end of task, click that. And as you know, that is the task that I have given you, okay? So how you upload that is what you do is you call add a submission. So you're going to submit the page you're just after creating. So submit it. And we called it Coaching Project PM. And click save. Now, once you have done that, it will say submitted for grading, okay? What I will do then is I will get them, and I will, because I've already read through them and I'm happy with them, if I've given you a little bit of feedback on how to improve it, you may have adjusted that, and then I will verify that you've completed this. And then once that happens, you will be able to print off your certificate saying you have completed this module, the coaching module, okay? So that's exactly what happens.